Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'm going to be doing a few patchworks on the driver's side rear of the floor. Nothing too major. As you can see, there's a few holes here and there which I just don't think it's worth replacing the entire floor for a few little patches as small as they are. I was on to fitting this driver's side step in place, but as it stands I'm still waiting on a few panels. I'm waiting on a boxing panel and also the stiffener panel before I can actually get that fully set into place alongside with a flitch panel. So yeah, just tying myself over at the moment with a few little minor jobs that need doing along the way, and then obviously as soon as the new panels arrive I'll be getting back to where I was in my previous video. I'm going to start by cleaning back some of the paint around the area. Most of it is cleared up, to be honest with you, but if I can clean it back a little bit more, then I should be able to get a nice little weld around those, and then I should sand it back, pull all this old paint off from beforehand, right back to bare metal, and then I should give it a coating in some metal primer like the other side. So I managed to get a couple of patches in this floor well, right before I've actually just run out of gas. So looks like I'm gonna have to take a trip to get some new gas. So we're showing 0, lovely. Yeah, like I say, managed to get a few patches in. I'm now gonna continue to grind them back, smooth them out as much as possible, and get rid of the rest of this white paint, which was there from beforehand. The underside, now I'm gonna sand these back. I mean, they're not the neatest welds in the world because you're never gonna see them, but they're solid. So I'm going to sand them back, and once I've pulled them back as far as I need to go with them, I'm then going to stick some seam sealer on just to try and hide them, and that should be a job good one. So coming over to the floor pan, I've started pulling it back. It is coming up reasonably well. There's not that much damage there. I reckon with a nice fresh coat of the metal primer, we should be good to go. So the floor pan seems to be coming up reasonably well. I've had to give it a little bit of a break because the amount of vibrations coming from that knot wheel is just absolutely crazy. But yeah, while I'm having a break from that, I'm going to be stripping out the windows and moving on to the next part. So I managed to get the back window out already, and moving on to this back one, I'm just going to cut the seals because I'm going to get new seals from anyway. And I just think it's easier to run a blade round the side and then hopefully it should pop out. Yeah, that came out not too bad. Not as much damage under there as I thought there was going to be. The guttering on the top of the roof has seen better days, but in terms of the rest of it, around this window frame itself, a little bit here. But yeah, quite happy. Delivery day. That's about it for this video. As you can see, I've got all the windows out now. My new panels have just arrived, so I can actually get stuck in with getting this A panel, the stiffener and the flitch panel in place, and then I shall be moving on to the next section. A massive thanks for taking the time to watch the videos. I'll catch you next time.